Hello everyone, I welcome all of you once again for this IGBC AP exam preparation course. Myself Saravanan J. Bharati from Carbon Figure Academy. In this video, we will be talking about module number 16 IGBC rating systems, and this is going to be the last module in the learning requirements for IGBC AP exam. Anyhow, one more additional module will be provided where you can able to get more insights on IGBC AP exam along with mock exam links. So IGBC rating system, so they are having 25 plus, we can say. So in this slide 28 rating system is mentioned, but currently the rating systems are expanding rapidly. So they are trying to cover all the different building categories under their portfolio, right? So like under commercial, residential, transit, built environment, education, industrial and health well-being, so different things are there. Apart from that, they are also having net zero frameworks like net zero water, net zero waste, net zero energy and net zero carbon buildings certifications also, right? So in the right side what you are seeing is the IGBC Green New Buildings Rating System. So as a IGBC AP exam perspective, whatever the guidelines are provided in this particular rating system will be considered for the question. So by touching upon these rating system with respect to their intents, the entire course modules have been designed, right? So you can go and download this copy from IGBC website directly and have a look at all the individual credits and their intentions, right? So how to do the project registration for IGBC? You just go and register for your account, and through that itself you can go for the submission, right? So what are the resources for registered projects? So they will provide you free reference guides, master templates and two free CIRs, which means credit interpretation rulings. So which ultimately saying, if you are reading that reference guide and you can't understand certain points, you can go and ask them, right? Like a mail or phone call through whatever help desk number they are having. So but they are not providing you the free service all the time, right? You should spend some time and effort yourself to understand what it is indicated in the credit requirement, but still they are providing you two free such services. Like 2 times you can go and ask them, okay, please clarify me this credit requirements. So that is what they are telling. Credit interpretation rulings they are offering for two, right, as a free. Apart from that, if you have further requirements, then you may need to pay for them, right? So when you can register at any stage, like your building is in design stage or approval stage or construction stage or post construction stage, right? Any stage. Early phase registration offers maximum potential for achieving certification, right? Potential in the sense, for example, if you complete your construction without understanding the requirements of these things, which means the green buildings and things, and if you want to get certified, means you may need to put a lot of modifications afterwards, right? Additional improvements and costings would be there. But when you go with very earlier phase, okay, I have not yet prepared my drawings, but everything is ready, we are going to kick off, means at that point if you go for the registration, then you will get maximum amount of benefits. So that by understanding each and every credit requirement, accordingly you can design your building, right? So for design phase also you can get certified, and during the construction also you can go for certification, right? So if you see their rating system, mandatory requirements, some 10 points, not 10 points, 10 items might be there, or others might be like optional credit categories. So how their modules are differed or designed: sustainable architecture and design 5 credit points, site selection and planning 14 credit points, water conservation 18, energy efficiency 28, building materials and resources 16, indoor environmental quality 12, and finally innovation and development 7. Right, so you can able to see energy efficiency holds the maximum. Right, then building materials and resources. So those three, water, energy and building materials, holds maximum contribution. Right. So how they are classifying their own certification? Certified means 40 to 49 score. If you get, you will get certified, right, which means best practices. If you score 50 to 59, you will be certified silver, outstanding performance. If you get 60 to 74, in that range, if you get any score, you will get gold certified, national level excellence. If you get 75 to 100, means it is global leadership, and you will get platinum certified, right? So how clients would typically want, so they would define their own choice preliminarily, right, very early. See, I want silver, I want gold, like that. So depending on their enthusiasm and their further benefits also, the level of certifications may change, right? So if you see the framework, certain things are mandatory, certain things are choice based credits. So mandatory requirements means every project should meet them, that they are not negotiable. And if you see the choice based credit means you can pick and choose. Every credit won't fit for all the projects, so you will have options to go for different things depending on your location, budget, nature of the building, expectations, all those things. So ultimately, if you get respective scores, accordingly you will get the rating level, like certified, silver, gold, or platinum. So all the prerequisites and credits addresses triple bottom line: economic, environment, and community. So that is the underline of your IGBC rating systems. So you just need to remember, for the purpose of exam point of view, what score will secure what level of certificate, you need to know. Then what is mean by credit interpretation ruling, that you would need to know. Then at what point of stage you can register, that you can understand, you have to know, right? Then if you see certification types: pre-certification and certification. Pre-certification in the sense, for especially suitable for design stage, so that helps developers market projects to tenants and financiers. Requires registration under IGBC, you have to register for pre-certification also. Certification awarded based on the project intent to align with IGBC requirements, valid for 3 years with 6 monthly reports, which means required until certification stage, right? Not 6 monthly report, it is 6 monthly reports. So once in 6 months, you have to go provide the report of the progress, right? Which means within that validity of 3 years, the project should be completed. That's the idea, right? Then certification: robust and unique processes ensuring sustained performance, provides essential tools for resources. Then physical audit conducted before final certification. So you should understand there would be physical audit to verify all the submissions. Then measurement and monitoring system maintain continuous performance, validity 3 years for building related systems and 5 years for built environment related system. So what is the validity of IGBC certification? 3 years, right? So if you go for built environment or village based certification, city based certification means, then it would be 5 years, right? So this is the flow of activities with respect to IGBC certification. A project registers online, then the project team submits the documentation for preliminary review. So for complete each and every credit, you work out and come up with the respective documents, and cumulatively you submit everything on the online portal for the review. So what it would be done, IGBC would allocate third party assessors to carry out the review. So for that they may take 30 days, right? So what would happen then? Then project team would be intimated for some corrections or questions or whatever it is. Then they submit again for the final review. Now the IGBC team will visit the site for verification, right? Then they are announcing the rating. So this particular process also takes another 30 days, right? So which in with properly going with the proper documentation means you may need to spend 2 months, around 2 months, for getting the certification. So if at all, if the project accepts the rating, okay, they can go with the rating. But if the project team feels like no, we need we expected better rating, so we want to re-appeal. So what it would happen? Project team appeals within 60 days of announcement, so that again the project team can able to go for submitting the document once again, because everything is lies in the documents are coming from actual design implementations. So if they wish, okay, this particular credit we want to implement now, we want to add up that to our submission, then you can go for it. So once you go for the appealing, the next time some other team will go and do the verification. That is the concept. So each and every time different people will go for the verification, right? So this is the complete flow, and typically it takes 2 months to 3 months to completely get certified for your project, right? So that's it. So with respect to these number of 4 slides, you get some preliminary idea about IGBC rating system. But still, for the best of practice, I request you to visit the IGBC website and just go through there the mentionings. What is the IGBC vision? What is their mission? So how much footprint their certifications have already completed, any other information regarding IGBC rating systems, processes, right? So you can see everything in their website, like under resource tab also is there. So you just get to know more about their organization, us organization, and how they function, right? So this particular module and respective questions will be based on how IGBC works, what is their methodology of doing certain activity within this context. So the questions would be from that perspective only, right? So that's what I recommend, to visit their website once and go through completely, right? So that's it. That's the end of entire 16 modules for this IGBC AP exam preparation. I hope and these videos are really helpful for the people, those who are really interested in becoming IGBC certified professionals, like accredited professionals, sorry. And this module also will have the practice quiz, so please go and check in the description box. And in the next module, we will be having that additional information on IGBC AP exam along with mock exam links, right? Thank you, everyone.